Well, I mean, it always starts number one. The very first thing is, does it serve my audience? Does this product, does this service serve my audience? Is it something that they even need? And if the answer is no, then don't, like, you're done. Stop there. Your audience doesn't need it. Don't promote it. Now, if you go, yeah, my audience needs it, then you go, okay, if this were relevant to my mom, to my sister, to my loved ones, would I sell them on this like I would, like if you go to a great restaurant, I talk about this in the book. If you go to a great restaurant, Hussein, and you're like, oh my gosh, that was amazing. Don't you tell people that you know and love? You tell them about it, right? Now, if you know that your best friend hates Mexican, do you tell them about the Mexican restaurant that you went to last night, even if it was the best Mexican food you ever had? No, of course you don't. He doesn't like Mexican food. He doesn't like Asian food. He's not into sweet treats. So you don't tell him about the ice cream shop. You don't tell them, but you know that your cousin loves Mexican. So you go to a Mexican restaurant and it was amazing. And you go, oh my gosh, that was amazing. Same kind of thing here. If you believe in it, you believe in the product, you got results. Like I tell people, oh, you're looking for products to promote. Look around, look at your desktop, both physical and digital. Like right now on my desktop, I have my planner that we sell it. We recommend it on my site as an affiliate. I've got this microphone. We recommend this. I've got the lighting kit that I'm using. And we recommend that. Then I go to my digital desktop. What are the websites I'm logging into all the time? What do we use for social media? What do we use for building our funnels? What do we use for we own a website company. So what do we use for, well, obviously we recommend my own there, but before I bought it, I recommended them. What are the digital tools you use? If you're in the gardening niche, go out to your gardening shed, go out to your garage. What are the tools you're using? What are the seeds you're using? What are the gloves you wear and the other stuff that you use that makes a difference in your gardening? If you're in the fitness niche, if you have a home gym and you talk about, working out, then go look, okay, your elliptical machine, I'm looking at my home gym is on the other side of my office here. What pull-up bar do you use and what bench do you use and what weight set do you recommend? Like you believe in those things because you own them, right? So you just recommend those types of things. That's the easiest way to start, to get started.
So I want to get a little bit technical. So in order for people to get into someone's list, right, they should have a landing page. And after that, an offer. So a lot of them, I used to be one of them, but now I'm not really that much because I know how to do that a bit, not a master, but a bit. So a lot of people concerned about traffic, right? So we know there is a lot of traffic sources. Like there is no shortage of traffic. You can get traffic for free, whether it's Google, if you build some SEO momentum, or you can get traffic by ads, right? Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever. So what would you use, or the best things that get traffic to your offer? Should you go look into the people you are mentioned, the perfect audience, and engage with them there? For example, if they are in Quora.com, engage with them there and provide them with your services and offers there. Could be a great way to get traffic that are actually qualified.
Yeah, I mean, number one, affiliates. Yeah, I'm going to keep going back to that because, if you think about all the reasons why affiliates are great. Again, you don't pay anything on the front end. I don't know about you, but I did not go into business in a situation where I had a lot of money. All right. I went into, $2,000 was a substantial amount of money for me when I got into business. So if I went and spent, and this happened, that business I mentioned before, where we couldn't make payroll, part of it was we wasted a lot of money on advertising that did convert. Every other form of advertising out there, practically, you have to pay on the front end. Oh, you want to run some Facebook ads? I don't care how profitable they are. Most of the time, whether it be Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, whatever, you are going to lose money for a period of time. I'm not against Facebook ads. We run Facebook ads. We spend about $100,000, $200,000 a year. Not a ton of money, but enough money to make it noticeable, right? On Facebook ads. I'm not against Google ads. We'll spend about $250,000 this year on Google ads. Again, not an astronomical amount, but it's on the budget. We spend some money, not much, on LinkedIn ads, and we do a few other things. Here's the deal. Our Facebook ads were unprofitable for about 8 months. We did not run Facebook ads until we could afford to lose $10,000, $15,000. You have to be willing to lose money on the front end before you're profitable. So most of us can't do that. I could not have run Facebook ads early on. A lot of people jump into online business like, I got to go run Facebook ads. They spend $50 and then they quit. Well, yeah, because
Well, actually, yeah, this is true. This is true. Like they think this $100 or $50 is going to turn them
most
into a
people
million. Yeah.
there are unicorns out there where they spent
Yeah.
$500 and they made 800 and they've been profitable from day one. 95% of the people I know lose money. Will they be profitable? Yes. Please do not misunderstand me. But when you're starting out, you don't have a ton of money. If you're independently wealthy, you're listening to this, you got $1 million in the bank. I don't care. Go start with Facebook ads, Google ads, doesn't matter. Most of us, we start with affiliates and we start with people we know. The very simple reason is we don't have to pay anything on the front end. The other reason is I just posted this to, let me see if I can find it. I just posted it to Facebook. There was the gist of this is, so I'll tell you real quick, there is no other form of advertising warmer than affiliate traffic. Because here's the thing, when I go run a Facebook ad, here's what my Facebook ad says. I'm amazing. Go buy my product. Okay. That's essentially what it says. Look at me. I'm saying nice things about myself. How cool am I, right? Okay. Affiliates are other people saying nice things about you. So let me read this. I saw this this was a comment on a blog. I won't say whose blog it is because it sort of criticizes them, but this is just listen. All right. Lady's name is Hertha. 2 days ago from when we're recording this. I run a law firm. So this is after a launch. All right. This person has just run their launch, multi-million-dollar launch, client of ours. And yeah, great launch, expert, all that stuff, right? I run a law firm and time is money to me. Your free presentations were too wordy and non-substantive for me. Also, your enthusiasm and presentation almost seemed inauthentic to me. I almost didn't join for these two reasons. Okay, this person has just said, listen, your stuff is too wordy and non-substantive. In other words, you beat around the bush and you waste a bunch of time. I hated your content. Your enthusiasm seemed fake. However, I respect and trust Hay House. This was the affiliate. So their email pushed me into the yes column because I just finished writing a book, blah, 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 blah. Now that I have joined and perused my dashboard and read some of the transcripts, I am very grateful for your program. Okay, so let me just recap that, right? Too wordy, non-substantive, inauthentic. I don't trust you, but I bought anyway. Why'd they buy? One word.
The affiliate.
The affiliate, 2 words, actually. The affiliate email convinced them. There is nothing this guy could have done to convince Hertha to have bought. It was 100% the affiliate. No, you could run the best ad. You could retarget. You could run SEO. You could send the best email. None of that stuff worked. It was one email from one affiliate that made her go, boom, I'm going to buy.